Hello kids, it's Mr. Ag here, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about your writing assignment today. Tuesdays and Thursdays are going to be a little bit crazy with writing because we've got 20 minutes of a live session where we're going to spend some time sharing with each other some things from our writing. And the other 20 minutes is set aside for you to do some independent work in writing. So today, for your independent work, you're going to sign into the Schoology page. You are going to go down to our week 2 assignments. You're going to go into the writing folder, and notice I've got a discussion thread here. So your assignment is actually to make a post in the discussion thread. Let's take a look. Let's click in and see what it's all about here. So here we have the directions in writing at the top, but what I've done is I've also recorded myself reading these directions to you, what exactly I want you to do when you make your post. So for me, since I'm in my account, it shows my avatar here, and I can write a comment like this: "You are wonderful." Wonderfully, how about this? Creative writers. Enjoy the moment. Do your best! Exclamation point. And if I post it in there, it posts just like this. I'm not following the directions that I gave you though. The directions say, read the writing you have done this year. What do you like about your writing? What do you need to work on as a writer? You can use these sentence starters. I am good at blank in writing. I need to work on blank as a writer. Post your response on the discussion thread. Write your answers in complete sentences with a capital letter at the beginning and punctuation at the end. So we are going to start practicing using capitals and lowercase letters correctly. And one of the reasons to use capital letters is at the beginnings of sentences. So all year long, in every subject, when we write sentences, we're going to practice doing it correctly. Again, if you need to hear these instructions again, there's an audio recording of the instructions. So just click on this link and it will, you'll hear my voice again reading these instructions to you. You go down and make your post um, about something you're good at in writing and something that you need to work on. And you do not have to use these sentence starters. I put these here just in case you really wanted to use these sentence starters. And you're free to actually say many things that you're good at and many things that you want to work on as a writer. It's a chance for you to be reflective, which is one of the things that at CFI we do and we try to instill in our students. Being reflective is one of our learner profile words, actually. So Tuesday writing, reflect and set goals. This is where you think about yourself as a writer. You reflect on what you like about your writing and what you need to work on as a writer. Good luck, have fun, do your best, and remember to write in complete sentences.